Good morning, everybody. I hope yesterday was a great day for everybody, and I hope today is going to be wonderful as well. Today is Thursday. Everybody needs to go ahead and say today is Thursday. So it is April. Everybody needs to say the month is April. The month is April. And it is Thursday, April 23rd. And if you go out and look outside, you're going to find probably that it's partly sunny. And the high today is going to be 76. And there's a 20% chance of rain, so we'll say it's going to be warm today. We got some jeans and a t-shirt and some tennis shoes. I haven't chose a hat all week, so we can go ahead and wear a hat. I think that's good. We can say Miss Corbett has hat head. I don't need any of those. Alrighty. So you can take a hoodie today just in case, but pretty much a jeans and t-shirt should be fine. So today's weather, Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Partly sunny and warm. So make sure you guys log on to Canvas and get the work done on there and watch the videos. I hope you guys have a great Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. See you later.